Today, I'll show you how to find a lost phone with your Gmail account. Before we begin, it's important to know that this method works for your own phone or a device you have permission to manage. Google's official tool for this is called Find Hub. If your phone is signed into your Google account, Find Hub can help you locate it, make it ring, lock it, or even erase it remotely if needed. To start, open a browser on another device, like a laptop, tablet, or another phone. Then sign in to the same Google account connected to the lost phone. This is usually the same account you use for Gmail, Google Play, and other Google services. After that, open Google's Find Hub page and wait for your devices to load. Once the page opens, you'll see a list of devices linked to that Google account. Select the lost phone. Google may ask you to verify your identity by entering your Google password or your phone's screen lock, depending on the device and Android version. After that, the map will try to show where the phone is. If the phone is online, you may see its current location. If it's offline, Google may still show the last known location instead. You'll also see a few helpful options on the screen. You can make the phone ring at full volume for 5 minutes, even if it's on silent. You can also mark it as lost to lock the screen and display a message or contact number. And if you think the phone cannot be recovered, you can erase it remotely, although after that, its location will no longer be available in Find Hub. Just remember, this works best when the phone has power, is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, is signed into your Google account, and has Find Hub turned on. And that's it. That's how to find a lost phone with your Gmail account. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.